Hello dear students, I hope you are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn verbs and their usage with the help of example and flowcharts. Students, please observe the examples. Example 1. She plays football. Students, here the word plays in red color shows an action. Example 2. Mrs. Gupta is a cashier. Here, the word is shows the state of being. So, the words plays and is are verbs. Let's observe some more examples. Example 1. The dancer danced well. Here, the dancer is subject and the word danced is the verb that shows an action of dancing. Example 2. Rahul is a tall boy. Here, Rahul is the subject of the sentence and the word is a verb that shows the state of Rahul. So, we can say that a verb is a word that shows an action or state of being. As you can see on the slide, the flowchart of the classification of verbs. There are mainly two types of verbs. One, principal verb and the second, auxiliaries. Principal verbs are two types of verbs, transitive and intransitive. And then auxiliaries are of two types, helping verbs and modal. Let's learn more about these types of verb one by one. Dear students, now look at the examples. Example 1. Suzanne plays football. The word plays is the principal or main verb that shows action. Second example. Mohit drinks milk. Here the word drink shows action and it is the main verb of the sentence. Students, as I told you that principal verbs have two types of verbs, transitive and intransitive. Let's see the examples. Example 1. Teacher teaches English. In this sentence, the word teaches is transitive verb. Example 2. Rahul draws a picture. In this sentence, the word draws is transitive verb. Students, you know very well that a sentence has three main components, subject, verb and object. Here, in the first example, verb is teaches and object is English. And in the second example, verb is draws and the object is a picture. So students, we can say that a verb that takes object with it is called a transitive verb. To know a sentence is having object or not, we just ask the question, what, to the verb. If we get the answer, then there is an object. If we don't, then there is no object. Just come to examples again. Ask question, what teaches? English is the object. What draws? Picture is object. For intransitive verb, please observe the examples. Example 1. Birds fly in the sky. Here, the word fly is a verb. Dear students, you can see in the sentence that there is no object. Example 2. The baby is crying. Here, the word crying is a verb without object. Thus, we can say that a verb that does not take any object with it is called intransitive verb. Let's observe the examples. Example 1. Suraj is an engineer. Here, the word is used to show the state of being. So, it is helping verb. Example 2. Workers have done their work. In this example, the word have is the helping verb that help in the tense formation. Thus, we can say that Verbs that either help in the formation of tense or its mood, generally helping verbs, are used to show the state of being. Helping verbs are of three types. First, to be verb, and those are is, am, are. Second, to do verb, and those are do, does, and did. Third one is to have verbs, and they are has and have. They help in the formation of tense and mood. Students, let's learn something about modals. Just observe the examples. Example 1. He can do this work. Here, the word can is a modal that expresses the mode of action denoted by the main verb do. Example 2. She may pass the exam. Here, the word may is a modal verb that expresses the mode of action denoted by the main verb pass. Thus, we conclude that modals are the verbs that expresses the mode of action denoted by the main verb, as you see in the examples. Some other modals are shall, should, may, might, can, could, will, would, must, need not, etc. It's enough for this module. We will continue the verb in our next video. So, let's see what we have learned. Question number 1 is identify the underlined word and choose the correct option. The storm caught the sailor. So, we have to identify the underlined word caught. So, to identify it, your options are intransitive verb, transitive verb, helping verb or modals. The correct answer is transitive verb. Next is, according to me, she should work hard. So, let's know the underlined word, whether it is a transitive verb, intransitive verb, modals or helping verb. The correct option is modals. Next is, Raj is doing his homework at the moment. So, let's see what is stands for. Main verb, helping verb, transitive verb or intransitive verb. The correct answer is helping verb. Question number 4 is, in the following sentence, identify the object. She has decorated her house. Your options are she, decorated, has or her house. The correct option is her house. Students, now it's time to practice some questions given from the content. So, here are the 3 questions that are given to you as homework. Question number 1 is, in the following sentences, identify the subjects and the objects. Second question is, in the following sentences, identify the verbs and states its type. Question number 3 is, do the exercises A and B from your book, New Grammar Plus. That's it for today, kids. I hope you have understood everything taught in this module. Till then, thanks for watching. See you in next video.